What you looking at? Hey, what you doing?
Might be planning away too. Jump
The eyes sit on the side of the head give a cat a wider field of vision that can almost see behind them. The nose helps cats hunt. It can smell. It smells till
Boys and girls, just listen.
it's okay. It can smell till the cat can see or hear the animal. Canine teeth are used to bring down and hold prey. The ears are very sensitive and are especially useful to cats that are night hunters. By turning their ears in a different direction to pick up sound, big cats can hear the direction of sound anywhere. He always steps on stuff. I don't know how to.
Because we have more students.
I don't know how to pronounce this, so I'm just gonna say carnassial.
Okay.
Upper carnassial teeth can be used to crush bones. The long whiskers are a set of feelers that big cats use to find their way in the dark. One last thing. Just as you might use your sensitive fingers to feel your way through the darkness. That's all I have. Come on, Dexter.